Hello everyone. After we know how to make a layer of thin film on the surface of the wafer. After we have the film, we'll continue to use the photolithography process. This process give, or we can make the pattern of thin film by design. And by design, we can make the area of dopants, make the pattern of thin film and the area of dopants. The first stage, on the surface of the thin film, we coat a layer of resist. Then we use ultraviolet light, UV light, to exposure. How to exposure? We use the mask. This mask resists the light. This mask resists the light. There is an opening. Let the UV light come in and the exposure at this period of the resist. Third step, develop. We develop chemical as a liquid, chemical liquid, spray to puddle on the resist. Then the chemical flows to it, result two conditions. One condition is if we use the resist, we call the positive resist. After the developed chemical attack, the exposed part will be removed by developed chemical. The second condition, if we use the negative resist, the exposed part of resist will be stay, and unexposed part will be removed by David chemical. Then positive resist left the opening here, and the negative resist left the two opening here. At last, we can excuse to process the doping or etching and so on, and another process to this opening here of the film, and the resist just as a preservation, a protection layer. We can do another process to the opening the part of the film. We can make the film to become a pattern as we like to design. So resist as a preservation, as a protection layer. And we use the UV light with mask to make the pattern as here. UV light and mask to make a pattern. Yeah, different mask to form different pattern. And at last with doping, etching, and another process we can do it at the opening, no resistor area, just like here. So the lithography is to use the light and the mask and the wrist to do the protection layer, and we have a pattern. Then we can do the process another to take care of this part without preservation. That's all. See you next time.